30 manufacturing business ideas in Africa? Africa is the future of manufacturing. Today, I'm sharing 30 manufacturing business ideas that are profitable across the continent. These businesses create jobs, serve real needs, and build wealth. Let's dive in, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Soap manufacturing. Soap is used daily by everyone. Produce bathing soap, laundry soap, and liquid soap. Start with $2,000 to $5,000 for equipment and raw materials like caustic soda, oils, and fragrances. Sell to shops, supermarkets, and wholesalers. Africans spend millions on soap yearly. 2. Detergent production. Laundry detergent is essential in every home. Manufacturing detergent powder or liquid is straightforward. Equipment costs $3,000 to $10,000. Source chemicals locally or import in bulk. Package in small sachets for affordability. This sells fast in African markets. 3. Fruit juice processing. Africa grows abundant fruits, mangoes, oranges, pineapples, and passion fruit. Process them into packaged juice. Equipment costs $5,000 to $20,000 depending on scale. Sell in bottles or sachets. Schools, offices, and shops need constant supply. 4. Tomato paste production. Tomatoes are staples in African cooking. Process fresh tomatoes into paste and package in cans or sachets. Start with $10,000 to $30,000 for processing equipment. Market to supermarkets and households. Imported tomato paste dominates local production, fills the gap. 5. Ground nut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is nutritious and popular. Roast ground nuts, grind them, add ingredients, and package. Equipment costs $3,000 to $8,000. Sell to supermarkets, schools, and health-conscious consumers. Export potential to neighboring countries. 6. Cooking oil refining. Africans use cooking oil daily. Refined crude palm oil, sunflower oil, or groundnut oil into packaged cooking oil. This requires $20,000 to $100,000 or more, depending on capacity. Demand is enormous. Millions of liters consumed monthly across Africa. 7. Animal feed production. Poultry, cattle, and pig farming are growing industries. Manufacture feed pellets and supplements. Equipment costs $10,000 to $50,000. Source maize, soybean, and additives locally. Farmers buy in bulk monthly steady customers. 8. Plastic products manufacturing. Produce plastic buckets, basins, chairs, and containers. These items are used in every African household. Injection molding machines cost $15,000 to $50,000. Raw plastic pellets are available. Volume sales bring good profits. 9. Bottled water production. Clean drinking water is scarce in many areas. Bottle purified water and sell locally. Equipment costs $10,000 to $40,000 for small-scale operations. Every office, event, and household buys bottled water. High demand, repeat customers. 10. Bread baking. Bread is a daily food across Africa. Industrial baking produces hundreds of loaves daily. Ovens and mixers cost $5,000 to $30,000. Supply to shops, schools, and offices. One bakery serves thousands of customers daily. 11. Pasta manufacturing. Spaghetti and macaroni are popular foods. Manufacture pasta using wheat flour. Machines cost $15,000 to $50,000. Package in attractive bags and supply supermarkets. Compete with imported pasta by offering better prices. 12. Tissue paper production. Toilet paper, facial tissues, and napkins are necessities. Manufacturing equipment costs $20,000 to $100,000. Source pulp locally or import. Every household, office, and restaurant needs tissue paper constantly. 13. School chalk manufacturing. Schools across Africa use chalk daily. Produce white and colored chalk sticks. Equipment is affordable, $2,000 to $5,000. Raw materials are cheap. Market to schools, training centers, and educational suppliers. 14. Show manufacturing. Footwear is essential. Produce sandals, school shoes, or work boots. Start with $5,000 to $20,000 for equipment and materials. Focus on durability and affordable pricing. Schools need uniforms, shoes in bulk every term. 15. Garment manufacturing. Produce school uniforms, work clothes, or casual wear. Sewing machines and cutting equipment cost $3,000 to $15,000. Hire skilled tailors. Supply schools, companies, and retail shops. Clothing demand never stops. 16. Maize flour milling. Maize meal ugali, pap, sadza is a staple food. Mill maize into fine flour and package it. Milling machines cost $10,000 to $50,000. Farmers supply raw maize. Every family buys maize flour weekly. 17. Rice milling. Process paddy rice into white rice for consumption. Rice is increasingly popular across Africa. Milling equipment costs $15,000 to $60,000 buy. From farmers, mill, package, and sell to retailers and wholesalers. 18. Biscuit manufacturing. Biscuits are popular snacks for children and adults. Production equipment costs $10,000 to $40,000. Use flour, sugar, and flavorings. Package attractively and distribute to shops, schools, and supermarkets. 19. Candle production. Power outages are common in many African countries. Candles are essential backups. Manufacturing equipment is simple. $1,000 to $3,000. Use paraffin, wax, and wicks. Package in bundles and sell through shops. 20. Mattress manufacturing. Everyone needs a mattress. Produce foam or spring mattresses. Equipment costs $10,000 to $50,000. Source foam, fabric, and springs. Sell to furniture shops, hotels, and direct customers. Export to neighboring countries. 21. Cement block making. Construction is booming across Africa. Manufacture concrete blocks and interlocking bricks. Block-making machines cost $3,000 to $15,000. Source cement and sand locally. Builders and contractors buy in thousands. 22. Paint manufacturing. Buildings need painting regularly. Produce interior and exterior paints. Equipment costs $15,000 to $60,000. Mix pigments, binders, and solvents. Sell to hardware stores and contractors. Construction growth drives paint demand. 23. Fertilizer production. Agriculture needs fertilizers for better yields. Produce organic or chemical fertilizers. This requires $50,000 to $200,000 or more, depending on scale. Farmers buy in bulk every planting season. Government contracts are available. 24. Roofing, sheet manufacturing. Produce corrugated iron sheets or roofing tiles. Equipment costs $30,000 to $150,000. Every building needs roofing. Supply to hardware, stores, and construction companies. Housing demand creates constant need. 25. Leather products manufacturing. Produce belts, wallets, bags, and sandals from leather. Africa has abundant livestock providing hides. Equipment costs $5,000 to $20,000. Sell locally and export. Quality leather products command good prices. 26. Cosmetics manufacturing. Produce body creams, lotions, hair oils, and pomades. Africans spend billions on cosmetics yearly. Equipment costs $5,000 to $25,000. Use natural ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil. Package attractively for retail. 27. Mosquito coil production. Malaria is widespread. Mosquito coils and repellents sell year-round. Manufacturing equipment costs $3,000 to $10,000. Use pyrethrum and other ingredients. Package and distribute to shops and supermarkets nationwide. 28. Noodles manufacturing. Instant noodles are fast food for busy people. Production equipment costs $20,000 to $80,000. Create local flavors and affordable pricing. Students, workers, and travelers buy instant noodles daily. 29. Furniture manufacturing. Produce beds, tables, chairs, and cabinets from wood. Workshop equipment costs $5,000 to $20,000. Source timber locally. Sell to homes, offices, schools, and hotels. Quality furniture has strong demand. 30. Aluminum cookware manufacturing. Pots, pans, and kettles are kitchen essentials. Manufacture aluminum cookware using die casting machines costing $15,000 to $60,000. Every household needs multiple cooking utensils. Replace imports with local production. These 30 manufacturing businesses can transform your financial future and create jobs in your community. Africa has raw materials, growing markets, and hardworking people. What's missing is action. Pick one business, research your local market, secure capital, and start. Manufacturing builds nations and creates generational wealth. Like this video, subscribe for more business ideas, and tell me which manufacturing business you'll start. Africa's industrial revolution begins with you.